students. Good morning to you all. So once again I am here with the chapter Natural Resources of Class 9. Natural Resources of Class 9. So today we are going to discuss of the topic. The topic is types and the quality of soil. Types and quality of soil. आज हम लोग टाइप्स एंड क्वालिटी ऑफ सॉइल के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. लास्ट टॉपिक जो मैंने डिस्कस किया था आपके साथ, इट वाज अबाउट द सॉइल फॉर्मेशन, फैक्टर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द सॉइल फॉर्मेशन. सो जस्ट टू गो थ्रू द होल चैप्टर्स टॉपिक, नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज का टॉपिक्स जो 1 by 1 मैं अपलोड कर रही हूँ उसे आपको देखना है तो आप मेरे प्लेलिस्ट में जाके सर्च कर सकते हैं, क्लास 9 बायोलॉजी. So now let us go through the quality of soil. This quality of soil depends upon two major things. The first one is the average size of sand particles. एक तो ये डिसाइड करता है कि सॉइल की जो सॉइल का जो टाइप है वो कैसा होगा. एंड द सेकेंड वन इज द क्वालिटी. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द क्वालिटी ऑफ द सॉइल. Quality of the soil depends upon humus and microorganisms present in the soil. Humus के बारे में हम सभी जानते हैं कि they are decomposed organic matters. So if they are present in the soil, obviously that soil must be aerated and hydrated both. Means good amount of air and water holding capacity will be there so that they can provide these things to the plants for their proper growth and development. Now what kind of minerals are found in the soil? Minerals are found in the soil. Be very careful that minerals are totally dependent upon what type of rocks are weathered. वही मिनरल्स इसमें पाए जाएंगे जिस रॉक से ये वेदर्ड होकर के सॉइल बना है. वाई? बिकॉज डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ रॉक्स आर हैविंग वेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मिनरल्स. तो किसी भी सॉइल में प्रेजेंट मिनरल्स का मतलब है कि वो किस रॉक से वेदर्ड होकर के बना है. सो नाउ आई होप यू पीपल हैव अंडरस्टूड इट. नाउ लेट अस गो थ्रू द टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल. The types of soil right now I told you decided by the humus and water holding capacity. These two decides water holding capacity and the humus. These two are the major factors which decides the quality of the soil or the types of the soil. Let us talk first clay. You must have heard about the clay soil. This clay soil is around 0.002 mm, means very fine particles, very small. They are very small and they have high water holding capacity. ये बहुत ज़्यादा पानी अपने अंदर रख सकते हैं. But they don't have interspace among the particles. इनके पार्टिकल्स के बीच में जो स्पेसेस पाए जाते हैं वो बहुत कम होते हैं. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट डू यू नो व्हाट हैपन, जब इस सॉइल में पानी दिया जाता है देन देयर इज वाटर लॉगिंग. वहाँ क्या हो जाता है? वाटर लॉगिंग हो जाती है, पानी जमा हो जाता है, अंदर नहीं जा पाता है. एंड इवन दीज सॉइल्स आर नॉट एरेटेड एंड hydrated. Right now I told you which are essential for the growth and development of the plant, and they have very poor nutrients also. That is why we can say कि they are not suitable. ये जो है plants growth के लिए suitable नहीं है. So clay soil is not suitable for the growth and developments of the plant. Now let us go through the second type. The second kind of soil is sandy. They are sandy soil. What kind of particles are found in the sandy soil? They are around 0.2 mm. Their size is 0.2 mm. they have, means they cannot hold water, they have no capacity, means they can't hold water. ये पानी को अपने अंदर ठहरा नहीं सकते हैं. They are very loose. They are very loose. Large interspaces are there. They are loose और इनके बीच में जो दूरी होती है वो large interspace होता है. Because of that they can't hold water. They can't hold water, and that is why we can say that they have very poor water holding capacity, poor nutrients also. They don't have proper nutrients. So now you can only tell me that are they good for the plants? No, they are not good for the plants. So now the third one we have to discuss. Let us go through the third one. The third one is loamy soil. What is that? They are loamy soil, and these soil are the combination of, before going through the loamy soil, let us know about the gravel and silt. What do we mean by gravel and silt? Gravels are the particles, we can say that they are 2 mm. Their size is 2 mm. They are also not good for growth and development of the plants. And the silt, we can define the silt like, between clay and sand. What is the size? इनका size क्या है? Sand से छोटा और clay से बड़ा. क्ले तो बिल्कुल फाइन पार्टिकल्स हैं और सैंड्स हैं जो कि थोड़े बड़े पार्टिकल्स, इनके बीच के पार्टिकल्स को हम सिल्ट कहते हैं. नाउ द लास्ट वन इज लोमी सॉइल. व्हाट इज दैट? लोमी सॉइल. व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय लोमी? लोमी इज द मिक्सचर ऑफ, ये जो लोमी है ये मिक्सचर है सैंड्स, सिल्ट एंड क्ले. ये सारी चीजें इनमें पाई जाती है लोमी सॉइल में. They are the mixture of sand, silt and clay in proper ratio. Maybe not proper ratio. You cannot say anything may be more. Anything may be more. But they have moderate water holding capacity. Neither more nor less. इनकी जो water holding capacity है वो moderate है. They have good amount of nutrients. Why? Because they have different types of weathered rock. तो इनके पास सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स होंगे, सारे मिनरल्स होंगे विच आर एसेंशियल फॉर द ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ प्लांट्स. सो इट मीन्स दे आर सुटेबल फॉर द प्लांट्स ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट. They are suitable for the plant growth and development. So we can say, now you have understood it well. This loamy, you can divide this loamy soil into three parts. What are those? That is sandy loamy soil. It is sandy loamy soil in which sand particles are more. Then clayey loamy soil means in this type of soil clay particles are more. And then silt loamy soil. In this particles of silts are more. So now you have understood it well, the types and quality of the soil. I made you understand in this video. I hope this video will help you to make your notes and to understand this chapter or this topic well. So thank you all of you. Don't forget to write the comments, subscribe and like, and please share this channel also. Thank you all of you.